Welcome back to Dinar Current Updates, your go-to destination for live news, exclusive insights, and expert coverage on the Iraqi dinar, Vietnamese dong, and the exciting path toward a global currency reset. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit subscribe and activate notifications. You won't want to miss critical information that could drastically impact your financial future. Today's topic is urgent and highly requested by many of you. A dinar holder's alert, tips for the fastest exchange appointment. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, navigating the system smoothly, and avoiding expensive mistakes, stay locked in. We're about to guide you through everything you must know to exchange your dinar faster, smarter, and safer. Thousands of dinar holders are feeling both excited and nervous as they prepare for the opportunity of a lifetime. What once felt like a distant hope, the revaluation, is now becoming a reality. However, many overlook a crucial part of this process, the exchange appointment. It's not simply about showing up. It's about how well you prepare, what you bring, how you present yourself, and how you manage every step. Your preparation will ultimately determine whether your exchange is swift and smooth or stressful and delayed. The golden rule: preparation beats procrastination. Before you even consider booking an appointment, organize, count, and verify your dinar. Ensure your notes are clean, undamaged, and properly stored. Banks and exchange centers have very strict standards regarding the physical condition of currencies. Torn, stained, or damaged bills could delay your exchange or even result in rejection. If possible, purchase a UV light tool to quickly check the security features on your notes yourself. Walk into your appointment with confidence, knowing your dinar is fully verifiable. Gather your documentation early. Speeding up your exchange starts by having all necessary paperwork ready. A valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Proof of address, a recent utility bill or bank statement. Your original purchase receipt or a certificate of authenticity if required by the institution. Some banks now enforce stricter anti-money laundering regulations and may request proof that your dinar came from authorized dealers. Without these documents, you could be turned away or forced to reschedule, wasting precious time. Prepare ahead to save yourself the hassle. Schedule your appointment smartly. Most banks and redemption centers now require you to book appointments online. Walk-ins are usually not accepted, especially for large currency transactions. Create any necessary online profiles with your bank ahead of time and monitor their appointment systems regularly. Slots will likely fill up fast once revaluation news breaks to the public. Some institutions allow pre-registration, where you enter your personal info beforehand so that booking your time slot becomes a simple confirmation step instead of filling out long forms under pressure. Pro tip: aim for an early morning appointment. Banks and centers are quieter, staff are refreshed, and systems are newly rebooted. Avoid lunch hours or late afternoons when delays are more common. Treat the appointment as if it were a major job interview. Arrive early, dress professionally, and treat staff with courtesy. A respectful attitude goes a long way toward ensuring smooth service. Communicate with your bank beforehand. Call or email your branch before your appointment to confirm their specific document requirements. Policies might differ slightly depending on location. Some branches may request notarized documents for large exchanges. Build a checklist based on this information and pack everything the night before. Presentation matters. When you arrive, have your dinar neatly organized. Bundle notes by denomination using rubber bands or straps and label each bundle if possible. This small step greatly helps the verification team and project's professionalism. A well-prepared customer is taken more seriously, leading to faster and smoother transactions. Decide your exchange method ahead of time. Don't wait until the appointment to make decisions. Banks typically offer multiple options. Direct deposit into a checking or savings account. Certified cashier's check. Wire transfer. Direct deposit is often the quickest and safest route. Know exactly what you want and communicate it clearly at the appointment. This prevents unnecessary delays. Plan for taxes. Many are caught off guard by tax paperwork at the time of exchange. Depending on the amount, you may be asked to complete IRS Form 8300 or similar documents. Understand the basics of capital gains tax, ordinary income tax, and how your exchange could affect your 2025 tax returns. Consulting a tax professional beforehand is a smart move. Bring any needed tax notes to help process everything smoothly. Expect stronger security measures. Banks like Chase, Wells Fargo, and others are stepping up security for large transactions. Be prepared for ID verification, biometric scanning, security question checks, possibly even escorted entry for extremely large exchanges. Anticipate these steps and cooperate fully. Staying calm will help speed up the security process and make the entire experience more efficient. Private banking options. If you're exchanging a substantial amount, consider private banking services. Many banks are setting up dedicated wealth management teams to handle high net worth clients discreetly and quickly. Check with your bank in advance to see if you qualify for a private client exchange, and if so, arrange for it early. Group exchanges. Follow instructions carefully. If you're part of a group exchange, be extra cautious. Groups may have specific codes, instructions, or locations you must adhere to precisely. Failure to follow group instructions could cause you to lose access to any special negotiated rates. Print your group's instructions, double-check them, and bring proof of your participation. Stay updated until your appointment. Bank procedures can shift with little warning, depending on transaction volume, regulation updates, or broader global events. Stay informed through reliable dinar news outlets, your bank's official notices, and trusted currency sources right up to your appointment day. Being flexible and prepared for last-minute changes gives you a huge advantage. Final tip: stay positive and calm. Frustration, impatience, or anxiety during your appointment will only slow things down. Unexpected delays, such as equipment needing a reboot or extra verification of notes, can happen. Stay calm, stay polite, and maintain a positive attitude. It will help the staff prioritize your case and complete your exchange faster. Remember, patience and preparation are your most powerful allies in this life-changing moment. We've only just begun to unpack all the top strategies for a successful dinar exchange. Stay tuned as we reveal even more hidden tips, frequent pitfalls to avoid, and ways to maximize your exchange potential.